I'm gonna show you a couple of clips that I took of the kids from the Halloween store that we went to like last week. Because they were not afraid of anything in that store except for them spiders that jumped out at them. But so yeah, so I'm gonna insert a couple of clips before we get on with the vlog so that way you guys can see our trip to the Halloween store. It wasn't really much, but oh well, it's there. Look at that. You gonna go in there, Travis?
I'm not scared anymore.
Step on it, Kylie. Y'all don't, yeah, that doesn't scare you? So scary. You're not scared of it? Step on it. What's Travis doing? All right, come on.
Hey, you're a mom. Will you take a picture of me and her?
Yeah, that's fine. You like Minecraft? Hello guys. It is a good morning, almost afternoon. Weston woke up with the kids this morning and went back to sleep, so he is just now waking up and it is 10:24. So I'm gonna make him some breakfast. Hi. I'm gonna make him some breakfast and gonna get on with our day. Gonna kind of start our day at 10:25, you know, because it is 40 degrees outside and has been raining all morning. So we're not really doing anything today, but let's start. Hey, what you doing? What you doing? You got brought me some cars. You gonna play with cars? Oh no, you took the cars away. Why'd you take my cars away? Yeah. Look. Hey. Say hi. Can you say hi? Say hi. Trying to get the house clean today. Trying to get things done. I've done the dishes. Yeah. That's mainly, whoops, I missed that completely. But yeah, look. He is no longer blocked in anymore. Because he was starting to pull it down and he was only really using it whenever I had to go like into like another room. So that's the only time that he was ever using it anymore. So now he has free roam of the house and he uses it too. He does. He's definitely, he runs every place. I mean, you know, there's no walking for him. It's running. So, and getting into stuff. Today I've got to put the locks on the cabinets because he likes to, let's see if I can show you. Yeah, he likes to get in my cabinets. So I need to get locks for him. Actually, I have them, I just need to put them in, and I have a drill to do it because a screwdriver. I've tried that before and it just wasn't wanting to go in there. So I've got to get the drill out and put the locks on there today. But yeah, I've just been cleaning, like I said, cleaning and getting things done today because my house needed it. Where you going? What are you doing? I need to clean up under there too, don't I? Thanks. Leave it alone. Go play. Austin is taking a nap and it is still raining outside. It has literally been raining the entire day. And the rain's not supposed to be going anywhere this week. It's supposed to be raining all week and it really has been. We are so wet outside. It's crazy how wet it is right now. Hopefully it'll stop soon though. Before the kids get home, hopefully we can have a little break in the rain with any luck. If not, I'll be meeting them outside with an umbrella. And then I took about a 2-hour nap today. Well, guess what? It was needed. Definitely needed. So now he's eating some lunch. It's after 3 o'clock. He slept in today, so he got a late breakfast. So he's now eating some lunch, and we're waiting for the kiddos to get home because they should be home soon. It's, what I say it was 3:13, and they usually get home about 3:40. So they should be home pretty soon. What? Are you eating your most favorite thing in the world? Yeah. Can you say yeah? Is it good? What happened? Oh, you heard the dogs? Yeah, they're in the laundry room. It's pretty cold and wet outside. Ah, rough. Rough. You try, don't you? Is it good? Yeah, that's your plate. Hey, did you sleep good?
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
Is that food good? Is your food good? Yeah, you're not gonna say yeah?
Yeah.
Yep. So I thought.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. It's his new favorite word. He says yeah for everything. You can ask him, did you sleep good? Are you hungry?
Yeah.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. See, he's eating. He still says yeah. So yeah. 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 So yes, yeah is still. It's his favorite word. He loves saying it. He says it just for everything. Yeah? Excuse me, what am I catching you doing now? What are you doing? Sorry guys. He's on his craziness, wildness. Oh, you're looking outside? What is he doing? Is it still raining? What is it? This? You looking outside? Yeah.
Whoa.
Whoa. What do you see? Say rain.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Yay.
Rain. They're not home yet. Are you looking for brother, sister? Yeah, they're not home yet. This? They'll be home soon though.
Yay.
Rain. Is it cold? Weston, is it cold? Okay, guys, this shirt is a 3T shirt. I just pulled it out of the closet and put it on him. Looks like a little dress, but it's still cute. Yeah. Uh-huh. What is it?